Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Database Management System Part 8. Content of the session is designing the databases using DML, Data Manipulation Language, Data Query Language, Transaction Control Language, Data Control Language. Actually, SQL Structured Query Language is having 5 categories. Data Definition Language, DDL. This you have learnt in your previous video. So in this video you are going to learn the balance commands. Data Manipulation Language, it is having insert, update, delete. How after creating the table, insert command is used to insert a new row, that means new record in the table. Update command is used to modify the existing record. Delete is delete the record in the table. Then data query language, only one command is present under this language, that is select. It is used to retrieve data from the table. We can retrieve the whole data or we can retrieve the data based on some of the conditions. Then DCL, transaction control language. Commit, rollback, set transaction, save point. 4 commands are under this category. Commit, permanent save into the database. Rollback, it is used to restore database to your original form since the last commit. To do the rollback, I must have a save point. These both are interrelated commands. Without a save point, I cannot use rollback command. Then set transaction. Set the transaction properties, whether it is read write or only read. Read only property and read write. These properties are set by the set transaction command. Data control language. This having 2 commands, grant and revoke. Grant to give the permission to the user. Revoke to take out the permission from the user. We can see these commands using XAMPP web server through examples. So we must use XAMPP server. So when you switch on XAMPP server, Apache and SQL must be started. It is started already. So after starting the server, we have to use the browser. In the browser, you have to type http://localhost dashboard. So here we have to select the option PHP My Admin. SQL tab. We know we must have a database. Under the database, we can create any number of tables. So see the database DB example. It is having many tables. I can use this student table to explain the DML commands, data manipulation commands. This table is already having 6 records. 101 Ram, 102 Anu. These are the elements present inside the table student. It's already there. But how to insert a new record in this table? We have to use the command insert. Insert into table name, open bracket, close bracket. Within that I have to say the columns. For what are the columns I want to insert the values. I can select all the columns or I can select particular column to insert the value. Here it is having only 2 columns, student name and student number and student name. So I am using the 2 columns, student number and student name. After this, I have to use the keyword values followed by open bracket, close bracket. Within the bracket, I have to say the values. As a student number is a integer value, I can give directly. If it is a character value, I have to say within single quotes. So single quotes, a name followed by a semicolon. Go. One row is inserted successfully. Now I'll select and see. Select start from student. Semicolon. Go. Can you see the records? Already it was up to 106. Now the new record also added. So we have seen how to insert a record. Now we'll see how to change a record already existing. For example, we can change 101 RAM. We can change the name RAM to another name. How to change it? Update, table name, set sname equal to I'll check whether this name is already there. Where if we leave update student set sname equal to Ravi, it will change all the sname into Ravi. So we have to give the condition which record should be changed. So S number equal to 101. So update the table. What should be updated? Set the S name equal to Ravi for the condition of S number 101. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுங்கிற டேபிளை அப்டேட் பண்ணணும். எப்படி அப்டேட் பண்ணணும்? எஸ் நேம்ங்கிறத ரவியை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். எந்த கண்டிஷனை பேஸ் பண்ணி? எஸ் நம்பர் 101. எந்த ரெக்கார்டில் எஸ் நம்பர் 101 இருக்கோ அதனோட எஸ் நேமை ரவின்னு சேஞ்ச் பண்ண. One row updated successfully. Now select and view. Can you see this first record has changed? Yes. You have learnt insert, update, select. You have seen select start from student. Now we'll see. Select start from student where S number equal to 106. So it has to select all the columns value, but the roll number should be 106. Only one record is given. You can ask when S number is greater than 105. That means the number which are more than 105, which roll number, which student number is more than 105 should be retrieved. So 106, 107 as retrieved. Is it clear, children? So you have learnt data manipulation language commands. How to delete? Delete from which table? Student. What should be deleted? Delete from student name where S number equal to 107. So the last record should be deleted. One record is affected. That means this query is executed successfully. Now we'll check whether record 107 is present or not. 107 is not here. So you have learnt how to use select, how to use insert, how to use update, delete. DML commands are over. Now we'll see DCL command, how to save and roll back. For this we have to set auto commit, because here the auto commit is on in the sense as it is a web server, useful web server. Example default ஆவே நம்ம பண்ற changes எல்லாம் சேவ் ஆயிடும். அந்த ஆட்டோ கமிட்ங்கிற ஆப்ஷன் வந்து 1ன்னு இருக்கும். அப்படின்னா ஆட்டோ கமிட் வந்து கமிட்னா சேவ். நம்ம எப்படி வேர்டில் ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது சேவ் கொடுப்போம், அதே நேரத்தில் ஆட்டோ சேவ் செட் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டா நம்ம சேவ் பண்ணவும் முடியும். சில அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் அது அலவுட். அது மாதிரி இதில் சேவ் நம்ம மேக் பண்ணுற சேஞ்சஸ் எல்லாம் சேவ் ஆகிட்டே வரும். ஸோ நான் இப்போ rollback save pointலாம் உங்களுக்கு செஞ்சு காமிக்கணும்னா அதை இப்போதைக்கு நான் ஆஃப் பண்ணணும். ஸோ set auto commit 0, then you start transaction. Now we'll see what is rollback and save point. Select start from student. So I think 101 to 106. 6 records will be there. Now we'll start the save point. Save point followed by a name. I can have any name. I am setting a name as A. Save point A. Under this save point, I am doing one command, that is delete from student where student number equal to 101. So I am deleting the first record. Then I am asking to show. Then only I can understand that it is deleted the first roll number. Select star from student. Next I am setting another save point. I can have any number of save point. Now we'll update student set s name equal to example where s number equal to 102. Okay, then we are asking to show the change. So we are retrieving. Select star from student. Now roll back to this is just like our undo redo. This is only undo. Roll back to save point B. That means updated thing should be set back to the old thing. அதாவது 102ங்கிற ரோல் நம்பரை நம்ம எக்ஸாம்பிள் மாற்றிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, நேம் ரோல் பேக் கொடுத்தா என்ன வரணும், அதனோட பழைய நேமே வந்துடணும். ஸோ we'll check whether it is roll backing or not. So we are asking to select star from student. We'll retrieve the record and watch. Then we'll roll back to A. That means the deleted record should be retrieved. Select star from student. Under save point, one record is deleted and we are checking whether it is deleted or not. Checking in the sense we are retrieving and seeing whether it is deleted or not. Save point B, under that we are updating. We are changing a name of roll number 102 and we are asking to show it. After that we are roll backing, undoing it. So if we roll back to B means updation should be changed. Roll back to A means deleted record should be retrieved. We'll check whether it is happening or not. So each transaction should be separated by semicolon. So semicolon, go. Watch. Set auto commit 0. It is successful. Start transaction. It is also successful. Then select start from student. 6 records are shown. 101 Ravi, 102 Anu. So watch this. 101 is present, 102 is Anu. Now see, save point A and we are deleting a record of 101. After deletion I am asking to retrieve it. So 101 is not here. Then save point B. After that update student set name example to 102. So the roll number 102 name is changed. See here. Yes, it is changed. So 2 transactions have done and it's under save A and save B. Now we are going to roll back save B. Save point B means this example should be changed to the old name. After roll back to B, can you see this name changed? Very good. Then roll back to A. first record also retrieved. So we have learnt DCL command. Save point, then it should roll back to save point name. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now, apart from this, there are many queries, that means many things you should learn. One is, what is group by, order by, then joining the tables, then subqueries. Order by is nothing but arranging the records in ascending order and descending order. Select star from table name, order by column name. If there is no DESC, means descending order. If we take the keyword DESC, it will be in ascending order. If we include, then it will be in descending order. We'll see in this example. So, select star from student. It will show the records as it is. Now, select from student, order by column name. So, we'll order it by student name. So first record is 101. It is showing as we inserted. So 101, 103, 104, 106. It is in the order, right? Now, order by S name. So the record should be arranged based on the student name in ascending order. Can you see this? Alexanu, Fatima, Kavin, Rani, Ravi. So all the names are in ascending order. How we achieved this? Select star from student, order by S name. Same thing. To make it in descending order, I have to use the keyword DESC. Now go. This is original record. Next it is showing the name in ascending order, then the name in descending order. Is it clear, children? This is order by. So what is the next thing in the book? Order by is over. Then we have to going to see what is group by. Group by means, here they have given an example as there is a table with the name, exam, roll number, subject and marks. Here all the records are inserted. First 101 201 901 Tamil mark is inserted. After that 904, then again 901 is English. So our motto is to select roll number and sum the marks from the table exam, group by roll number. So it should be in the roll number one in the order, but the mark in the summation. That means, see that 901 Tamil is 81, 901 English is 96. So 91, 81 and 96 are 177. Now, can you see the table example, exam, and another table profile? Many are here. First we'll see the table exam. So in exam 101, 104, I have inserted the records how it is in your book. So roll number, subject, marks. I have created the table with the records. Now we'll implement the query given in your book. What is the query means? Select roll number, sum of marks from exam. Actually the table name is exam, not exams, group by roll number. So clear children? Select. I have to select the roll number. Then another table name is given temporarily, that is marks, but it is sum of marks. This marks column name is there, but here it should be summed based on the roll number. So first we will select the record, then we will group it, and only you can understand what has done there. We'll select only the roll number and marks. Okay, from the table exam. See here, it's the actual data given, roll number and the mark. All the roll numbers are separately given and the marks are separately given. But we are going to use a query to sum the select roll number and marks, sum of marks from exam table group by roll number. Here it is summed. Is it easy? If you try, you can feel it easy. By saying that, you may feel that it is very tough, but once you try by your own, it will be very interesting and easy. So this is group by. Next, what is given in your book is joining the tables. It's very important. Because of this only it is relational database where we can join and we can relate. There are many concepts, but the simple thing is we can be able to join the tables. Here how they are joining is, here there is a table with the name profile, roll number, name and hobby. And already there is a table of exam, roll number, subject and mark. Here we are going to join the two tables, exam, this table and this table. How to join is select profile.name, profile.hobby, sum exam.marks as total. Profile from the table profile and exam, where profile roll number is equal to exam roll number, group by profile name. Here we don't use two things, we'll use only one thing, then only it will be easy to understand. I have already created the table profile here. You can see the data inside that. 201901 Krishna hobby is gardening. So now we can check with the query what is given in the book. Select name from the table, name from the table profile, and select a hobby from the table profile. So name and hobby. Then there is another column as total. In the total it should represent sum of exam.marks. Here the table is profile. Here the table is exams. Actually here I am having only exam, not exams. So I am changing the name. Marks is as marks only, as total. From the table profile, exams. I have used only small letters. Where profile.roll number and the roll number in exam should be equal. Group by profile name, not by hobby. So first we'll select the tables separately. Select star from profile, select star from exam. Okay, in profile it is gardening, photography. In exam, all the roll number and marks are given. Now the query is from the profile database, from the profile table. ப்ரொஃபைல்ங்கிற டேபிள்லேருந்து நேம் எடுத்துக்கணும், ஹாபி எடுத்துக்கணும். அதுக்கு பக்கத்தில் இருக்க காலம் எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகணும்? எக்ஸாமில் இருக்க மார்க்ஸை சம் பண்ணணும். எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி சம் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, இங்கே இருக்க ரோல் நம்பரும், அதாவது ப்ரொஃபைலுங்கிற டேபிளில் இருக்க ரோல் நம்பரும் எக்ஸாம்ங்கிற டேபிளில் இருக்க ரோல் நம்பரும் எங்கே ஈக்குவலாக வருதோ அந்த ரோல் நம்பர் எல்லாம் சம் பண்ணி அதனோட ஹாபி அதனோட நேமையும் டிஸ்பிளே பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. கேன் யூ see Charles reading hobby total 173. What is given in your book? It is given here. Charles reading 173. Can you see this? 158. Prakriti painting 179. Everything is given. This is joining the table. Next one is, next important thing is subquery. It is a 5 mark in your book. It's easy only. Subquery, they are having a table. Employee ID, name, age, salary. Then they are going to use query within another query, that is subquery. Subqueries are always written within parentheses. Always place the subquery on the right side of the comparison operator. Order by class is not used in subquery since subqueries cannot manipulate the results internally. So, you'll see the example here. Select chart from employee where employee ID in. It should be select employee ID from employee where salary is less than 20,000. I'll explain. Subquery is very interesting and easy thing only. First, we'll see the employee table. Employee table is having 4 columns. Employee ID, name, age, Ram 15,000, Gopal 30,000, Priya 13,000, Hari 20,000. This is the content. Okay. So the query given in the book is select star from employee where employee ID. Now I'll explain. First we'll see the query which is given inside the bracket, that is select employee ID from the table employee where the record is having the salary greater than 20,000. Is it clear? In the employee table யாரோட salary வந்து less than 20,000 இருக்கோ அவங்களோட employee ஐடியை மட்டும் ஷோ பண்ணுங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த கண்டென்ட்ல என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்போம். அதுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செலக்ட் ஸ்டார் போடுவோம். செலக்ட் ஸ்டார் ஃப்ரம் எம்ப்ளாயி கொடுத்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் இதில் இருக்க இன்னர் query மட்டும் என்னன்னு பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் கம்பைன் பண்ணி பார்ப்போம். ஸோ I'm asking to select all that thing from employee. Then there is a condition, that is employee ID மட்டும் display பண்ணணும் based on the salary less than 20,000. So all the records are displayed. Then employee ID one alone should be displayed based on the salary less than 20,000. 101, 103. We'll check whether it is right or not. 103, 13,000. 101, 15,000. I say 102 is 30,000. It is not displayed. Is it clear? Now What is given in the book is select star from employee, same command as before, but they are giving a condition where employee ID in, that is present in, what the present in, which is the result given by this subquery. Employee table and the எல்லா ரெக்கார்டையும் காமிக்கணும் based on the condition. என்ன கண்டிஷன்னா, இந்த select employee ID from employee where salary less than 20,000 இந்த subquery என்ன result கொடுத்ததோ அந்த employee ID எங்கெங்க வருதோ அதை மட்டும்தான் display பண்ணணும். First, the internal query which is inside the bracket is executed. Based on that output, the external query is executed. That is subquery. So first, all the 4 records are displayed because select star from employee. Next, select. When we use this subquery alone, we got the result as 101 and 103. Here, select star from employee. So, 103 என்ன இருக்கோ அதில் இருக்க எல்லா attribute-ம் 103 employee ID எங்க இருக்கோ அதனோட எல்லா column-ஓட result-ம் வந்திருக்கு. This is subquery. Using a query within another query. That's all, children. Most probably the whole chapter has covered. So try this at your home using the exam server. After using this, you should close that means stop the server. It is a good practice. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel to watch the upcoming video. Thank you. Have a good day.